Salvatore Ferragamo. Sing con la da. Che la tu guarda sos la tu sa. Ah, ma ti lavora già sopra. Come so. Burger tao rồi. Cái đó burger như vậy. Đây là đi có tao được rồi thế. Đi jacket không có tao được chỗ. À chị. Jimmy Choo sao Jimmy Choo. Jimmy Choo có chỗ đâu? No. Tao đâu vậy đi. Ala Dior dila. Dior. Gucci is coming. Bottega is coming. Bottega de do. You wanna go inside? Bottega. Oh, Louis Vuitton. This is it. This is the most expensive. Gucci. Gucci, she's going to Gucci. Gucci. Even in the rain, we came here for shopping. See, what is that? Wow, she have a Gucci. My Greece, she bought a Gucci, oh my god. And she wants to buy something from Louis Vuitton. I don't want to spend my wife's money. I prefer she spend it. I don't want anything. Kaya ko kaya ako siya ba? Kaya mo gusto siya muna lang nga chorus kan dia wala ba? Yan na siya niya ba?
Chanel la yore.
Okay, Chanel lang tan.
Ah,
Dilma to. This number.
Takadu na tikor, na tikor.
Chanel ko this kera.
Chanel ko siya ba?
Ala, son ko siya. Chiba ingirra. Chiba to ingirre. Chanel. Tanda tagi koi ki pass de khazar sa map kya? Map kya chukchu la sa. Oh my god. Dimana? Cute mana? Mana sih? Mana? Sun cute orang. Odi है सर next sneaker lock मुझे odi है सर dress sneaker lock jeans मुझे man has it. See, show me that bag. What is that? Sneakerology. Sitting board. Shoes for somebody. God damn, it's expensive. She paid about $173. Very expensive, but good quality. Very famous. And it's raining today. Raining too much. ये तंग चमक रहा है.